What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Master Blends Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're gonna be making smoked chili. Ha! Stay tuned. Alright, let's go ahead and start making this chili. So I already got a couple tablespoons of olive oil in there. Also got 3 pounds of hamburger. Let's go ahead and throw that in there. Like so. You want to go ahead and brown this up. Take you some kind of masher. Anything, they sell these at Dollar Tree, so also works well. So you just want to cook this till it turns brown. All right, go ahead and cut your pot down just for a second. We're gonna go ahead and drain this. Bam. All right, let's go ahead and get the vegetables ready. All right, I got 1 bell pepper. Also got half an onion and 1 celery stick. Let's go ahead and throw all that in there. There you go. All right, so you want to go ahead and mix all these up together. Go ahead and try to cook some of this down some. Probably take about 5 minutes. Just keep mixing. So we got a little bit of garlic paste. Let's go ahead and add some of that in now. Couple drops. Bam. Also gonna be adding some cayenne pepper. However spicy you want it, that's how much you put in now. Ain't no right or wrong answers. Next we got a little bit of ground cinnamon. That's the little go-to right there. You don't know nothing about that, you need to try it. Just a couple dashes. Also got 1/4 cup brown sugar. That's gonna give you that sweetness. This is kind of a Wendy's copycat. That's what they put in there. It's a little bit of sugar. So you just want to go ahead and mix this up till it cooks down. And don't laugh at my fork. I know it's broke. We got a little bit of AP rub in there, which is just salt and pepper. All-purpose seasoning. Just go ahead and give that a little shake. Season up this beef. Yeah, don't laugh at my fork. I got it from Dollar Tree. Hey, it still work. There you go. Just keep mixing. Your house is gonna smell amazing also. So after this cooks down, this is what it looks like. So as you can see, it's starting to sweat. Look at that right there. See, my fork holding well. So it's time to add some more ingredients. So got 1 can of diced tomatoes. I was looking for fire roasted. They did not have none, so this will work fine. Also got some petite diced tomatoes, just a little small ones. I really wanted them fire roasted. I can't believe they didn't have none. Also got 1 can of red beans drained. And this is a heavy bean chili. This ain't that Texas style where they don't put no type of beans in there. We got some pinto beans. I did drain these, but the cans was cold, so it don't look like it. So let's go ahead and add that in there. Also got some dark red kidney beans. I did not drain these. Mainly for the color. And I also got some light red kidney beans. I did not drain that as well. So if you don't want to add no beans, you don't have to do that. Also, hey, we're gonna add some of this chili seasoning, 2 packs. Hey, this is my little cheat code. So just throw that in there. If you want to put all the different spices, if you got them, throw them all in there. But hey, you know how I get down. I try to make everything easy and make it taste great. So mix this up. We ain't trying to cook this all the way. It's gonna cook on the smoker. We just trying to heat it up just a little bit. Just go ahead and mix it up. Also got half a cup of beef broth. Let's go ahead and throw that in there as well. Almost forgot it. So we're just gonna keep mixing this up till we try to get it as even as possible. Once again, I got this on low heat temporarily. So just keep mixing this up for about 5 minutes while your smoker is getting ready at 225 degrees. Bam. So this is what it looks like. Man, this looking good already. Look at that. It ain't thickened up yet. That's gonna take some time. So smoker's outside heating up. We're gonna go ahead, take this outside. All right, I got my smoker set at 225 degrees. This is gonna take about 6 hours. So let's go ahead and just drop this in here. I'm gonna leave it uncovered for about 4 hours to get some of that smoke flavor. And then for the last 2, we're gonna cover it up. Look at that right there. So this is what it looks like. Man, it look good already. So we're gonna go ahead and cook this 225 degrees. I'll catch you in a minute. So bam, this is what it looks like after about the first hour. Just to give it a little test. You want to keep mixing this up, make sure it don't stick to the bottom, but it's not, but just in case. So this right here, this is the 4 hour mark. As you can see, it's done thickened up, the beans done darkened up. We're gonna go ahead and cover this up for the last 2 hours. Man, look at that. Don't get no better than this. And bam, this is what you got after 6 hours. Take a look at this chili. See what them 2 chili packs did? See, you wanted to put all that stuff in there. You're just gonna pay $30 on seasoning. Bam, look at that. Oh my Lord. Man, I got them green onions in there. Sour cream, got that shredded 4 cheese in there. Man, come on, man. It's getting cold out here. You know you want to try this. Man, it don't get no better than this. But man, once again, this is the Master Blends cooking channel. My name is Trey. Make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe. You know my motto. Man, it's time to eat.